Oh, it keeps going there. Alright, well, I kind of figured out a few of these chords for you all, so I was just going to go through and show you a few of these chords. So, unfortunately, it's a lot of jazz chords that I don't really know the name of. I used to know them when I was a young buck trying to be a music theory master, but I don't know the names of these chords anymore, but I'll do my best to explain them to you. And the strum pattern's really weird as well, so you might have to just kind of come up with your own thing for that. But we're going to start with a B flat minor 9 chord, I believe. So your middle finger is going to set down on the 6th fret of the low E, and then ring finger is going to bar across the 6th fret of the D, G, B, and high E. But you add your pinky here on the 8th fret of the high E. All right. Now the strum pattern, I think is something like that. So I'm going one more time, a little slower. So down, down, up, down, up, and then I'm just chucking in the middle. All right, so one more time. Down, down, up, down, up. All right. See, I told you, it's really weird. All right, and then we're gonna go to an E9. So it's a lot like this B flat minor 9 chord, but you're just gonna hop your middle finger down to the 6th fret of the A string. Now if you want, you can add index finger back here on 5th fret of the D. So, because your ring finger is also gonna shift down as well. It's gonna bar across the G through the high E. But I like to still leave my pinky there to kind of emulate that little keyboard riff. So all in all, it should sound like. But to be honest with you, I don't even play that index finger back here on the 5th fret of the D. I just mute it out. So you got. Now I forget the strum pattern. I think that's it. So we got from the first chord. Ah! All right, one more time. All right, now we go to an A flat major 7, but we're gonna add pinky up here. So what I got here, index finger 4th fret of E, all right, ring finger 5th fret of D, middle finger 4th fret of B, and and then pinky here on 6th fret of high E. And if you can mute out the A and the G, because you should just be hearing, all right? All right, now to round it out, we're going to F minor 7. All right, so it's a bar chord, index finger bars across A through high E in the 8th fret. Ring finger sets down 10th fret of the D, middle finger 9th fret of the B. And I believe the first time through, you're just gonna hit that once and then stop. So you'll stop right on that F minor 7. Then you're gonna go through again. But this time, continue with the strum pattern on the F minor 7. And then I think it keeps going through. Then we got a pre-chorus thing right here. I'll play it, then I'll show you. Again, little walk down. All right, so the pre-chorus. Let's look at the pre-chorus now. So we got E flat minor 7 now. All right, so index finger bars A through high E on the 6th fret. Ring finger sets down 8th fret of the D, middle finger 7th fret of the B. You're just gonna do a nice whole note strum. Then we go to a A flat, just simple A flat. We're not gonna do the A flat major 7. We're just gonna do A flat. So index finger bars across 4th fret. Ring finger sets down here on 6th fret of the A, pinky 6th fret of the D, middle finger 5th fret of the G. So we got, all right, D flat major 7. So D flat major 7, index finger 4th fret of A, ring finger 6th fret of D, middle finger 5th fret of G, pinky 6th fret of B. All right, so all together. All right, then we've got this chord next. So this is a, what is this? A B flat over D. So what I'm doing is set index finger down on 5th fret of the A, pinky down on the 8th fret of D, ring finger 7th fret of G, middle finger 6th fret of B. All right, so you're gonna go from that chord to a C7. So index finger bars across 5th fret of, 3rd fret of the A through high E. Okay, then you're gonna add ring finger 5th fret of D, pinky 5th fret of B. All right, so we got back to that F minor 7, okay? So from the top of the pre-chorus. All right, then it's gonna do, I think it continues through, but this time, we got a walk down. So when you get to that D flat major 7, you strum it, then you just pluck a single note, I think sounds good, 3rd fret of A, C note. We go back to the B minor 9, but let your pinky off. So what is that? Just B minor 7 at that point. So then, okay, so what is that? That's F sharp. So index finger sets down 9th fret of the A string. Ring finger bars across the D, G, and the B in the 11th fret. Alright, you're just going to strum that once. Then we're going to go to the E flat 9 again and do just a nice build up. Alright, so I'm going to slow it down in the YouTube player and then let's try to play along with it now. Alright, just from the top. We'll go through those sections. I think it stays the same. Little pause there. So I'm not sure what more happens in here. I'll just keep playing. It's pretty much the same section so far. So that's pretty much the same though. Actually, let's hear that part again. Same chord. So far it's the same chords. Oh, so they double it up. They double time there. Okay, so there's a little section there where you hear it change faster. But it's the same chords. Now it's back to the same progression there. Alright, so that's pretty much the end of the song. Maybe go to some, ooh. And it on the F sharp minor, or the F minor 7, sorry. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I think, again, the hardest part, even for me, is just getting that strum pattern. It's so weird. That's probably going to be the hardest part, is the jazz chords and the strum pattern. So in other words, the whole thing's pretty hard to play. But yeah, that should hopefully be a good start for you on this song, at least give you an idea of what's going on with the chords. So if this lesson was helpful for you, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.